Yo, what up, everybody? It's your boy, Julie Jules, and we are back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing on the MetaQuest 3S. Now, before we get into that, I want to say thank you to Meta for sending this out to me and making me an affiliate. Also, y'all, there will be a referral link down in the description. With that link, you can get, like, if you were to buy a MetaQuest 3S, you would get $60 in MetaCash back. And if you wanted to get a video game, you can get 20% off of video games. This goes through December 31st. So if you're looking for a MetaQuest, y'all, now's the time. You can get some $60 in MetaCash if you buy a 3S with my referral link. And you can get 20% off of video games if you are looking to give somebody a gift, or if you're looking to buy a video game for yourself, you can get 20% off. With that being said, I do make a commission on sales. So if you use my link, I do earn money back on that. So if you want to help a brother out, you know what I'm saying, you can go ahead, hit that link and support your boy. If you already have a Meta, you know what I'm saying, why not get some money off? Who doesn't like money off? You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, y'all, let's get into the unboxing. So I'm super excited, y'all. This looks so dope. I've always wanted a VR, but I never pulled the trigger on one. So now I have one, and I'm super excited to dive into it. Let's talk about what comes in the box. So inside the box is the MetaQuest 3S headset. It's white. Standard facial interface, pre-installed. Glasses spacer. 2 MetaQuest Touch Plus controllers. 2 AA batteries included. 2 wrist straps. Pre-installed. Batman Arkham Shadow included. I'm super excited about that. And a USB-C power adapter and a USB-C charging cable. So, like I said, I've always wanted a VR headset, and now I have one. So I'm definitely looking forward to showing y'all gameplay of, the Arkham Shadow, as well as, like, there's a battle royale. You guys know I'm big into battle royale. So there's a battle royale that's a VR battle royale, and it's super, like, I've seen gameplay. It's super dope. It looks super fun, and I cannot wait to dive into that. Jeezy, you told me that you would play if I got one, and now I do. So now you can put your VR headset to use, so we can get in some Battle Royale VR. But let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Yo, this is like such good packaging, man. Take that off. Oh boy. Yo, look at that. Yo, that's so dope. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord. Oh my. All right. So we got the headset right here, y'all. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. Got the headset. Set that down there. Let me turn it that way so that y'all can see it. All right. All right. So this is the power supply. And I don't really know what this is. I don't know if that was just holding it, or if this is something that holds on. Yeah, I don't think that's. I'll look into it. I don't think that's anything really. This is the power supply that it comes with. USB-C, which is super dope. You don't want to be having USB, USB-A or anything like that. So USB-C. All right. Charging block. And then we got the two controllers right here. This actually feels like really good. These feel like really, really nice. Like these feel like really, really nice. So I feel like I'll be able to get used to this real quick and be able to I'll be able to tear up the battlefield. I know that. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's everything that we got up in here. So let's go ahead and put everything on.
Okay.
Well, when you consider the rats' anger at inequality and their distrust of elites, you have to see it runs both ways.
Ed rat? I hear that.
They were... Jesus! It was unbelievable. And when I see someone waving one of their signs, I think that they're scum too.
Thanks for your call. Was it a protest or...
See, that's what I'm talking about. That Batman's a total hypocrite. He's all on my ass about putting the fear of God in one of those rat pieces of shit. And then he turns around and kills me.
When does the Bat kill?
Since tonight, I guess.
Hey, it's about time someone started showing those guys we mean business.
Yeah, I think Batman's got the right idea. Those guys are animals.
They do call themselves rats.
Truth in advertising.
Yeah, right. Just wish I'd taken that one out when I had the chance. Now that it's open season and all.
Pull one out for Marks.
I can't believe he's gone.
Our best interrogator. We could teach any jailbird to sing.
Son of a bitch owed me $50. I'm thinking private sector's where it's at.
These rats see the badge, they pick a fight.
No one really works. Fear. That Bowery mess tonight never would have happened with PMC kids.
Yeah. I want them to look at me and know they already lost.
Stinks in here.
A rat shot up the balcony. City smells getting in.
Damn rats.
It was a rubber bullet. We'll be fine.
Due process, goddammit! Due process!
Hutch, Pettit, what are you doing? We're better than this. God, has this whole city lost its mind? Give me your name.
It's Malone.
Congratulations, Malone. You're going to Blackgate Prison.
All right, y'all, that is going to do it for this video. Let me know down in the comment section what you thought about the VR. I have to say, y'all, I did not think that VR would be this dope. Like, I put it on, I had a lot of fun, and I'm just going to keep on playing VR games, man. Like, this is like the future, man. Like, it literally felt like I was in the game, and there's no other feeling like it. So if you do not have a MetaQuest and you're really thinking about it, just pull the trigger, man. For real. Like you're not gonna regret it. I promise you. And use your boy's affiliate link. So, like I said, y'all, thank you to Meta for sending this out to me, and um, the referral link will be down in the description. Also, I will leave it in the pinned comments as well. And Merry Christmas to y'all. Christmas is right around the corner. If you use the referral link, you can get 20% off of video games. And if you were to buy a MetaQuest 3 or a 3S, you can get $60 back in Meta Cash. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I am just gonna have a blast. Look, yo, let me know what y'all thought about the Batman clip. I just wanted to give y'all a little snippet of the Batman. Let me know if you want to see more gameplay from that. I can go ahead and go through that whole thing, do part 1 through whatever, and upload it. And as well as some other games. Like I said, I'll be playing some BR, and I got a lot of stuff that I'm trying to work on with that. But I'm telling you, like, this is the future, y'all. Get yourself a MetaQuest. All right, I'm out of here, y'all. Thank y'all so much. Peace.